Hi farms, welcome back to New Tech. In this new video, I'm going to be showing you how you can block IP addresses from your WordPress dashboard. Now, in a previous video, we exemplify how you can block IP addresses using the IP blocker on cPanel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can do the same right on your WordPress admin. If it's your first time on the channel, kindly like the video and also subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos like this one. So I'm just going to go straight to show you how you can block IP addresses right from your WordPress admin. Now the first thing is to make sure that you have the Yoast or Rank Math plugin installed as your SEO plugin. So to do that, you can come to plugins and click on add new, and then you'd want to search for your SEO plugin. In this case, we're going to be using Rank Math. So just go ahead and install the plugin. Once the plugin has been installed, click on activate. Alright, so this is the dashboard area of the Rank Math SEO. Now to proceed, we're going to click on general settings, and from here we're going to click on edit.htacces. You can see that right there, so just click on it. Here is a caution right here, and it's something that you need to pay attention to. It says be careful when editing the HTACCESS file. It is easy to make mistakes and break your site. So you can proceed by ticking on I understand the risks and I want to edit the file. Alright, so for us to block multiple IP addresses from accessing our website from our .htacces, we're going to be inserting this snippet of code, and then we copy the code, and so we impute the code right there. Now the other allow code that we just copied tells Apache to allow access by default but deny if a deny rule matches, and that's when visitors are trying to access the website using any of this IP, they are going to be denied access to the site. Now in the reverse, we can also allow access from only specific IP addresses and block all other traffic. So you can reverse the logic using a HTACCESS file, and that's the essence of the second snippet, which is this one. We can use this to allow access from mainly all these IP addresses and not any other website users can access the site. So to make use of that, we can just come here and replace this code with that. So once we impute the code, it's going to allow access from only these IP addresses, and access from all other site users or site visitors is going to be denied as long as they do not have these IP addresses. But the main thing that we're addressing in the video is how to block access to our website using our HTACCESS file, and in that case, this is the right snippet to use on your HTACCESS. So the next thing is you'd want to swap out these IP addresses for the IP addresses that you want to block access to your site. So if you need to add more, you can always create another line, deny from, just say deny from, and then impute the IP address. So that's how to go about blocking IP addresses from your website using the .htacces file. I hope you found that useful. Thank you for watching the video. Kindly like and share, and also subscribe to the channel.